Evolutionists say the Earth and the universe are millions and billions of years old. The Bible tells us that God created it all 6,000 years ago. But evolutionists cannot possibly be right. If the Earth is really millions, billions of years old as they claim, how do you explain the following? You see, the existence of exoplanets is not explained by the various Big Bang scenarios. Now, the Big Bang scenarios, there's not one, there are many, suggest that the entire universe is the result of an explosion without telling us where the materials for the explosion came from. But in addition to that, in 2009, the Kepler satellite had found approximately 3,600 exoplanets, that is to say, planets orbiting stars other than our own. However, according to the Big Bang, these planets, many of which are larger than the planet Jupiter, are orbiting very close to their stars, should not possibly exist. And so the Big Bang scenarios, well, would tell us that these planets cannot be there, but these planets are there, though some need to be verified. And therefore, the universe cannot be the millions and billions of years old that, well, they say. You see, we really can trust the Bible that God created the sun, the moon, and the stars on day 4, about 6,000 years ago. In addition, we have found original soft tissue fossils. You see, original pliable marine tubeworm tissues, these are the kinds that live, for instance, at the bottom of the ocean along the middle of the Atlantic Ridge. Well, they have been found in materials dated as Precambrian by evolutionists, meaning supposedly 551 million supposed years old. But I quote that these materials were found, quote, flexible as shown by its soft deformation, that you could still squish them is what that means. They were fossilized in the sense that they were found in the ground, no longer alive, but they were not mineralized, they were not hard like dinosaur bone, and yet supposedly 551 million supposed years old. You see, you really can trust the Bible that God created it all about 6,000 years ago, that evolution is simply not true.